Right, hello my friends, I took this exact GCSE maths paper 10 years ago now. You rightly might not believe me, but I actually 100%ed this. Today we're going to be finding out how much of that 100% I've lost in the last 10 years of doing this degenerate job starting now. We are about to simplify 2a plus 2 plus 3b. Easy, right? Simple additions. Oh wait, no. I've got to put it in brackets or something, right? Do I have to put that? I don't know. Yeah, 1 add 2. B. Piece of piss, right? That's the simplest way that can be. Yeah. All right, so we got, bang, we got 8m minus 12n. Bob's your uncle, whack that there, give us 1 mark. Why is that 2 marks? That feels really simple for 2 marks. So, I should note, this is the non-calculator paper, and we've got some complicated numbers. How the fuck? Now, I think what you can do is times, fuck, that's bloody hard. This is definitely non-calculator. How the fuck do you do that? All right, come back to number 2. Not a strong start. All right, my friends. So, Fred has just bought 18 tins of polish costing £2.37 each. Work out the total cost. If we have 20 of them, we have 47.4. We fucking do. 47.4 minus 4.74. What's that? Fucking hell, my brain is rotten. £42 and 66p. Give me 3 marks. Bob's your fucking uncle. Okay, a vacuum cleaner costs £85. Fred, not done with his polish, gets 10% off the price of the vacuum cleaner. Work out how much he has to pay. 3 marks. Piece of piss. How is that 3 marks? How is that the same as that? 76.50 is what Fred paid. Yeah. Piece of piss. Right, boys, it is time to find the value of x. Oh, wait, hang on. These are parallel lines. Because if this one's 150 degrees, this one is too, because these are parallel lines. Your mother. Okay, find the fucking value of y. 95 degrees, because it's the same as this one here. How do I explain this in a way I get points? I'm gonna make my own letter up. A equals 95 degrees. Lines are parallel, so A must equal Y, Y equals 95. I think I'm right, but I've explained it wrong. That's probably only 2 points. Who fucking cares? There are 5 red counters, 6 blue counters, and 1 green counter. Work out the probability that Jim takes a counter that is not red. That, right, you lot are scamming a living doing your GCSEs. That's a piece of piss. There is a 6 out of 12 counters chance of it not being a red counter.
God damn it, you're a goddamn genius!
He then puts some more green counters in the bag. The probability of taking at random a red counter is now a 3rd. Work out the number of green counters that are in the bag. We originally have 12, so we need to add 3. We now have 4 green counters. Now, I regret to inform you there is 1.5 litres of juice in a jug. Lisa is going to pour the juice into some glasses. Work out the greatest number of glasses she can fill. That's really simple. No, that can't be that simple. For 4 marks! No, I'm being a idiot. Sorry, guys. So 8 4/7 of glasses. However, that's, you can't fill it. Right, 8 glasses. You've written fill. You've made this quite easy. It's 8 glasses. Gives me my 4 marks. Joe has measured the time in seconds it took 18 students to run 400 meters. Here are the times. Ooh. Draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show this information. I don't fucking know what a stem and leaf diagram is. So I'm going to assume we have some things here, and I'm going to short it into the 60s. The 70s. God, this is a piece of piss. Sorry if this is a shit video. James is on tour. Mikey's away in fucking New York. This is all I've got, right? I've got Mamie pencil. I don't even have a fucking calculator. I like the 8 times table. It's a nice one. It kind of slots in and puzzles nicely. Like 32 plus 8 being 40. That's lovely. Forget it. 1,547 divided by 18. How the fuck do you do that? Oh my God, boys, this is hard. I feel like this should work out round and it's not going to. So I don't know what 1,547 divided by 18 is, but I know what 1,548 is, and it's probably more realistic that I've just added this up wrong. So I'm just going to change this to 8 here and hope that that's what it's supposed to be. 86 seconds. Piece of piss. That's within those realms. Thank you for your 5 marks, Ed Excel. Now, boys, it's time to solve 13x plus 1 equals 11x plus 8. Right, that's a piece of piss. Minus 1 from both sides. We're going to minus 11x from both sides. So that means x equals 3.5. That's 2 marks. We now have to show that y equals minus 2 is the solution for the equation here. And that's easy. And we just take 4 over y plus y equals 2y. Going to times both sides by y, which means y equals 2 or minus 2. Yes! So, sweets are sold in bags and in tins. There are 20 sweets in a bag, 30 sweets in a tin. Lee buys B bags of sweets and T tins of sweets. He buys a total of S sweets. Okay. Write down a formula for this for S in terms of B and T. Well, that would be it, right? S is the total. The total is how many tins he's got. That makes sense to me, but it's 3 marks, so it's got to be wrong. There's got to be something to do with this 20B and 30T. Oh, you know what? I've got it. B, equals 20T. Are we good, brother? Are we good? 1 sweet equals X. This. Big S equals B plus T equals 50X? That's gotta be wrong. Jim has only 5p coins and 10p coins. The ratio of the number of 5p coins to the number of 10p coins is 10 to 3. Work out the ratio of the total value of the 5p coins compared to the total value of the 10p coins. For every 10p of 5p coins, we've got 30p of 10p coins. Therefore, the simplest form of that is 1 to 3. Vamos. You lot, ABCD is a square of side 12 centimeters. Yep, see that? So that means that's 12. That's 12. Oh, the boy knows his squares. 6 marks, I can do that. Yes. Okay, nice. To get the area of the shaded region, we just need to take away the area of these triangles. Total area is 12 times 12. 144 minus 54 minus 36. Right, well that doesn't look right. Oh, I forgot to fucking half them. Right, okay, bugger. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So 144 minus 18 minus 27 is going to give us what we need. 99 centimeters squared. Yeah, 6 marks, well done, Will. This table gives information about the length of the branches on a bush. What a fascinating table. Draw a frequency polygon to show this information. So I'm going to just plot it. It's going to be like a bar chart, I reckon. Yeah, we're gonna do this. This is what we're gonna do. That's a frequency polygon. Excuse me. Basil, come here. Come here. Come show me what you've got. Why have you got a Coke bottle lid? Didn't have this fucking distraction in year 11. I think that looks like a frequency polygon to me, unless I'm supposed to have gone like. It's too late. It's 2 marks. We don't fret over 2 marks. Write down the modal class in interval. I reckon that sounds like the most. That would be this one. So I'm going to say 0, L, 10. Okay, you lot. The graph of the straight line, x plus 2y equals 8. Draw the graph of y equals x over half x. Fuck. Hang on, Basil. For every 1y, it goes up half an x. Yeah, like that. That looks good to me. Perfect, 2 marks well in. Use the graphs to find the estimates for the solution. Oh, fuck. Y equals 3, and x equals 2. That's gotta be a fucking mark. Write down 6.43 times 10 to the power of 5 as an ordinary number. 643,000. Piece of piss. Basil, can you factorize fully 2x squared minus 4xy? Brackets to... excuse me. You can't really be doing this in the exam hall. So if you want to get down. Simplify. Oh, that's really fun. That's fun. You times, so here. Oh, will you fuck off? Get out of there. A squared B. There we go. Yeah, pops your uncle. Nice. All the students in Maths Town. Yeah, I want to live in fucking Maths Town. Take me to Maths. Anyway, all the students in Maths Town school had a test. The lowest mark was 18. 18, what a moron. The median was 57, the lower quartile was 32, I haven't got a fucking clue. Draw a box plot. Yeah, it's gonna be something like... Nice, 3 marks. Thank you very much. If you're doing your GCSEs now and you're like, well, I'll not be using this in 10 years' time, obviously he's fucking forgotten, you might have a real job, right? So this could be useful. My brain is just sponge. Anyway, ACD is a straight line. Calculate the length of ED. Now this involves Pythagoras, I think. So 4 squared add 8 squared equals C squared. Right, 16 plus 64. Well, that's got to be wrong. Now, my friends, what I've just seen is I've gone ahead to the second part of the question, and it's saying calculate the length of AC. So if I would do that in the second part, it means I don't need it in the first part. So something's gone wrong. We'll forget about that disaster of a question. There are only red marbles and green marbles in a bag. There are 5 red marbles and 3 green marbles. Dwayne takes at random a marble from the bag. He does not put the marble back in the bag. Dwayne takes at random a second marble from the bag. Complete the probability tree diagram. If you take a green one, that's 5 out of 7, 4 out of 7, and still 3 out of 7. That's in 2 marks, easy. Work out the probability that Dwayne takes marbles of different colours. So we need to add the 2 probabilities. 5 over 8 times 3 over 7. Is that how it works? Is that how you times fractions? 30 over 56. That's it. That's 3 marks. It better be 3 marks puzzle. Oh my God, look at the state of that. A, B, C, and D are all points on a circle, centre O. BC equals CD. Write down the size of the angle bad. Brother, not a clue. That's 90, 180 add 130 is 310, so that means A has to be 50. Work out the size of the angle ODC. How the f am I supposed to know that? No clue. Keep your 4 marks. Each equation in the table represents one of the graphs A to F. All right, which graph is what? So realistically, I've got a good chance of getting something right here. Oh, I'm not too sure I do. So these are the sine and the cos graphs. Which ones they are, I'm not too sure. I'm going to say sine is E, and cos gives me high at the start vibes. What is y equals 4 times 2x? Bro, I ain't got a fucking clue. Do you know what? Yeah, I'm going to go plus 5, that looks like it goes through plus 5, C, and that looks like D. Wonderful, 3 marks, thank you very much. AB, BC, and CD are 3 sides of a square. BC is x centimeters, and AED is a semicircle. Hell, okay. 2p over 6 plus pi equals x. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, Will's got 2 more points. Find the area. Well, why are you making me find the area of the shape on a different page? So the total area is the square plus the semicircle. Area of a circle is pi r squared, I think. And then the area of the semicircle is that thing divided by 2. I've got that wrong. But I reckon there's a point in there, so we're going to move on. Expand and simplify this. Don't know, I'm going to move on before I waste any more of our time. Write the vector AB in terms of A and B. I don't know fucking vectors, boys. The line AB is extended to the point K. Where the f K? Write the vector CK in terms of A and B. Someone's got to be screaming at me for being a moron, but I reckon that makes sense. Oh! The last page! Now I'm a whiz, I'm sure I've got... Okay, what you done, Umar? Silly Umar. Thinks that A plus 1 squared is equal to A squared plus 1 for all values of A. Show that Umar is wrong. We weren't proving fucking Jim wrong, were we? A squared plus 1A plus 1A plus 1. So it's actually, Umar, you big fucking silly gimp. A squared add 2A add 1. Here are the 2 right angle triangles. Oh, I can't do this, lad. No, hang on. Boys, what I'm saying, we've got a right angle triangle. The square of this equals the square of this plus the square of this. Yeah. A plus 1, oh, that's kind of easy. Squared plus B plus 1 squared equals C plus 1 squared. Yeah, so yeah. That's at least 2 points. I'll take 2 points. A, B, and C cannot all be integers. Explain why. Sorry, it's only 1 point. I will sacrifice that. All right, let's get it marked. Right. My friends, it's results day. The paper is now marked. It's time to find out how thick I've gotten in the last 10 years. Starting off, question 1, we got it all right. We got 3 marks. Right, well, how have I got question 2 right? I just gave it. Gabe, it appears I've been paying off the examiners.
No, your working here is right.
Yeah, but
you could get
I got a point for working.
You got a point for working out.
No, you're full of shit. I haven't got it 60.8 or 200. We've already lost 100%, boys. Turns out it wasn't actually this one 100%, but I did 100% one math paper. Huh? That one was really easy. Oh, I'm a f***ing idiot. All right, well, I've worked out 6 plus 1 as 6 instead of 7, so I've lost 2 marks there. I wrote the right answer, thought it was too simple, overthought it, and went from 3 marks for 9 to no marks for 9. 1 to 3, piece of piss. That I can't believe they're asking you questions. You've got it easy, lads. The hard stuff's coming. 99, did we get that right? Yes, 6 marks. Nice. Now, I'm sure Gabe has no idea what a box plot is, but he's looked at this and gone, that's probably wrong, and I think that's fair enough for Gabe. Okay, it looks like I've nailed 18. Have I got it right the second time? I fucking have. Yes. Did we guess the graphs right? No. I got 2 correct. The examiner said I've got none correct. The examiner can go and himself. I got one extra point there. All right, my friends. So that means I got 47 out of 100. In the last 10 years, I've lost 53 marks on my maths GCSE, which means, I got a C. I can still pass, right? I can still keep my GCSE. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry, Basil. See you soon.